Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna explain about how to reverse a string. Basically, this is one of the most important and useful ones. String reversal problem. So let's create a method. Str underscore reversal. So the parameter is like it'll take one text input. So text input, and after that, the method logic is very simple. We have to return whatever input you give, so we'll make it as a reversal logic. So reversal logic is like this kind of a slicing technique. And after that, let us assume so we're asking some that's the text whatever we want to do. That is nothing but the data variable equal to something like variable, just given my name, and I just use this method str underscore reversal text underscore input equal to where. If you run this, it won't show you any result because we are not printing it. We have to store this thing in the data, like variable result equal to. Then after that, at the end, if you print this, then you'll get the result. So let me run the script. See, here you can see. So this is the string I given. So it's completely reverse that thing, like from this step to from this step. So this come first, and after that LL, after that A, after that M, after that U or EP, then this space also, and then after that U this. So in this way it was working. So suppose if you want to make it dynamic, so here this where you can take from the user. So how you can do, so you can use this input, and after that enter your text. So let me run this thing again. It'll ask you to give the text. So I'll give it as a Perumal, and after that enter. Here you can see LAMUREP. So in this way you can do this reverse operation. Like basically, so what we're doing is like we're taking one string and after that we're reversing it. So it's one of the most important and useful method and technique. So do the like one of the major problem in the string. So in this series, like I'll gonna explain about more problems related to strings, and I'll cover all the tutorials. Thank you.